Hey, and welcome to my channel. You are here at Follow the Dopamine with Sasha, where we are literally following the dopamine. And the way it's taking us today is to a Do It Your Way Acrylic Dip Overlay. So I kinda just didn't film the acrylic dip overlay. So this is actually basically a video about the art on my nails. So with regards to the overlay, right, I just used a normal glue and acrylic powder, the polymer powder that I showed you in the previous video, and did a few layers, about 3 or 4 layers of the dipping process, and then I use the glue as an end cap, I guess, because I didn't have activator and I didn't want to get activator. But next time I will show you a way to do it with a monomer liquid as an activator for it. So I just kind of, went with what I had, and I didn't want to go out to get some polymer. Yeah, so and then the artwork basically started with an idea of green for winter, because we are dead in the middle of winter, or actually the beginning-ish of winter, but it's cold. And I was like, this green is just the best green. I love this green. So I was like, I have to use it on my nails. I haven't used it in over a year. So we went with a white base for the artwork, and then doing green details on each of the nails. So with the artwork, we basically did 3 layers of the gel, which we again cured through the sun. And then yeah, still haven't bought the lamp. And then we then go ahead and do a basically just artwork on each individual nail, right? So I started on my left hand because I'm right-handed, it's my dominant hand on my non-dominant hand. So that was fun, because then I can basically envision what I want to do and then just replicate it onto my right hand, which is my using my non-dominant left hand to do it on my right. And yeah, so how I did it was, I bought these brushes, by the way, from that same shop, and it comes with one end that is shaped like a normal brush is, and then the other side is the thin liner brush. So I like using the liner brushes because they make my detail like just immaculate, and I love it. So I started off with my index finger doing, it's something that I would think is like cow dot shape, or I don't know, but that's kind of what I was going for, is like little squiggly dots on it, and it came out pretty great, I must say. Now this did take me a long time, I'm not going to lie. The art took the most time out of everything, because I just like to be precise. Like, I literally love to be precise, and I'm a perfectionist. So when it comes to my artwork, even if it's with my non-dominant hand, it has to be the best. So yeah, I was doing little squiggly lines and making my cow shapes. They're not supposed to be perfect, they are imperfect. So you literally just make a dot and start there, or make a line and go around it like you're making a cloud, and then just fill in the middle. And then you will see that on the table as well, I have like those mini toothpick Q-tip things, because they basically help me with my cuticle and everything, and I used them before when I was doing the white coat on my nails. So with the the little squiggly lines, I had to actually bring my hand closer to my face to see, but the camera was pointed a little bit away, so most of that is gone. I'm sorry, but it is basically just squiggly lines all over, and you try and cover each and every little corner with still leaving enough spots for it to look nice. And that is the finished product. You see, I did bring it back for you to see. Sorry, focus was a little bad. I was trying to figure out how to make it focus, so I was just like, if I put my whole hand there, it will work. Guys, being new at this, it sucks, but at the same time, it's nice to learn all these things. Oh, just as a tip, the color that I'm using is 59. As you can see, it's just sticking out there, right? And I don't even know what the brand is, but I can definitely tell you soon enough. But it was also bought from Valuco. So Valuco actually has these amazing gels, like colors, like, guys, you don't understand, for anything and anytime. Look, obviously it's not the best with everything. Like, you can't do very thick coats, it will be runny, but I think that's every gel I've tried anyway. So with Valuco though, I love going there, especially for like my just normal seasonal stuff, like when I go and I get my colors, and I go looking for new acrylic powders, because I like to get different colors in acrylics, as well as getting just the lamps. Basically, I've bought like at least like 2 lamps from them so far, and I'm going for another one unless I can get another plug. So it's a whole thing. But honestly, I enjoy their store so much. It's great. And this is not an ad, by the way. I'm just letting you know that, if you're looking for stuff, they have the stuff. And also I've got I'm just doing my pinky finger here. So we started with doing a smile line, like a rainbow. I was trying to go for like a rainbow vibe, but I don't know, it was rainbow and then dots, right? And I had forgotten to finish off the dots with that small dot at the bottom of the nail, but I do fill it in later. But yeah, while I was doing it, I just forgot. And then on the ring finger, we basically doing like I don't know how to explain this, but it's like a abstract art lining kind of thing. So you're trying to make like 2 clouds on 2 different sides of your nails, and I like to do them on the longer one on the inner side of my nail, and then the shorter one on the outer side. I don't know, something about that just looks amazing. Even if I do say so myself. So you do it basically with the liner brush completely, because you don't want to make it too thick, otherwise it doesn't cure. As well as some of us, we're using the sun for these things, and it takes a bit of time for these things to cure, so you don't want to make it too thick anyway. You just do line by line by line. And as you can see here, and this is sped up, by the way, so imagine how long it actually took me. If you think about it, I had to do those lines and do the the curing, and then also make sure that everything looks good. And yeah, it took me a bit of time. But I'm not gonna lie to you, I really enjoyed it, because funny enough, this is the one thing, like art is the one thing that it gets me into a focus like I've never focused before. And I just love it, because it's a mind-numbing thing, like literally your brain is doing anything else other than think, and I love that. So yeah, and then now we basically left the middle finger white and then did a full green on the thumb. I will be showing that at the end. I just didn't think you'd want to see me painting, my nails, just painting over it. It's just normal painting. Anywho, I'm capping it now with a top coat, the one that I told you was dirty, that needed a wipe down. I tried to give it a wipe down. It didn't work completely. The reason why I'm doing different nails this time is because the builder gel nails lasted only for about a week. And I was very devastated, because I can't believe it. I took so much time out to try it, and then it just peeled off like nothing. So I decided to go with the acrylic base, because I'm actually trying to grow my nails out, and I'm trying to see what different styles and things that I can actually do with my own nails without having to put tips on. And because I'm constantly thinking about going to the store to buy tips, and I'm just like, do I really need all these tips? Like, my nails grow very fast, you know. So what's the use? So yeah, I'm basically just trying, and from what I've, like, all the compliments I've always gotten about my nails was that it grows so fast, so why not use that? Yeah, so we basically did the top coat and then let it dry for a few in the sun. I did about 3 coats of top coat because I could still feel the detail in the, like, in the designs. So 3 coats was good enough in order to have everything basically smooth and flat. And here we are just putting the cuticle oil on, because, you know, we don't want them rusty dusty fingers. So we just then put cuticle oil on, rub it into your cuticles. And also the alcohol that I was using to wipe off the sticky layer of the gel made the thumbs look very matte, and I didn't like that. But the oil definitely just cleared that problem up. It was oily and shiny after that, so yeah, that was a fix. And here we are, that's the full nails. So thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. I am just thankful for all of you, and have a wonderful week.